Instagram has changed more than the past year than ever before. In last 1 year, Instagram has changed its algorithm multiple times. I mean, every single day there's a change. But do you know what is working right now on Instagram? Whether you're a business owner, a personal branding, a content creator, small creator, new creator, or just someone who just wants to up their Instagram game, I'm gonna share some strategies. It's not just a bluff, it's a proven strategy that has actually helped my clients, myself, and I can see a lot of creators. Actually, their strategies are working for them. And trust me, it's very easier than you think.
So let's dive in.
Hey, my name is Shruti Suvarna. I'm an Instagram growth expert. I have increased my Instagram account in last 1 year to 65,000, from 0 to 65,000. And in today's video, I'm gonna break down what is exactly working right now on Instagram to blow up your account. And this is a proven tactics that has worked for my client, me, in last 1 year. And a lot of creators are actually seeing good results. And stick around because I'm going to share one automation tool that has actually blew up my engagement. You can see here the comments. My engagement with more than 46%, and it just keeps on increasing, and my engagement is just increasing because of this tool. So let's dive in. So I'll start with the best, which has just definitely worked for me a lot in past 1 year, at least past 6 months. And the first one would be the automation tool. So this tool has actually helped me to get good engagement in almost every reel which I upload. So you might have seen a lot of creators asking you to comment this word, comment guide, comment yes, comment no, and a lot of things. So this is an automation tool that actually helps to blow up your engagement. In this, you have to upload a reel or a carousel post and ask maybe like a benefit or else some trick or something like that that is benefiting your audience, and they will definitely want to see how you achieved it or how you got it. Maybe like a product image, like you are just displaying a product or a dress or something like that, and people or followers are non-followers definitely are liking it. They will definitely comment on it like, I want the link to this, and you can send them the DM. The link to the product in their DM. So that's how the automation works. You just don't have to do anything. You don't have to keep replying to all your comments. Rather, just automate it, and it actually blows up your engagement. So the app name is ManyChat. I am a premium subscriber of it. I've taken the premium version. Initially, I did not. I was just on the trial basis to just check out if that works. It definitely has blown up many of my reels, and I was like, I should continue having a premium subscription for it. Also, I'll be commenting the link for you guys to actually go to that and to subscribe to ManyChat from my link. You'll get a lot of benefit. Also, there are some discounts also mentioned. So just click on the link in the description, you'll get it. So this is the one automation. And Instagram loves engagement. Once Instagram algorithm understands, yeah, this reel, whether the value is okayish, but the reel is getting good engagement, it will definitely push it to more non-followers, and that's how you increase your engagement. Also, it's a Meta approved app, or a website, so it's not like you're spamming anyone or algorithm or anything. So it's a Meta approved, plus it will send the link directly to the user's DM, and it can convert into sales. So it is beneficial for you to increase your followers, boost your engagement, also sales. So it's a plus on plus, and a very good app, a very good website to start off with. So when you use this automation tool, it doesn't just blow up your engagement. Also, you get your potential leads. So one of my Instagram posts is about my social media packages, and this has blown up to a very great extent. Actually, initially I had started with the tool, which I had the free version of this tool, and then I stopped. Then I took a break, and then again I've started because I'm getting so many comments for price, and I have got about, I think about 4 or 5. I think I've got about 7 to 8 inquiries from this, like a potential lead, and that has got converted into clients. And I think 10-15 I've got about one-on-one consultation. So it's amazing. So you just have to try it. So this can actually give you leads as well, sales as well. Now let's talk about the second metrics which Instagram is loving recently is shares and saves, mostly shares. So if you create a content, maybe a reel, maybe static, maybe carousel, whatever it is, the shareability must be the most important goal of that post. So if you're creating a reel, so you should be thinking like, I want people to share this to their friends, maybe potential, some relatable content or comedy content or some valuable content like an informative content, educational content. These kind of contents tend to go viral as in it gets more searches. I have got so many searches from my Instagram, you can see here, and that has actually made my videos go viral. So it is a very important metrics, and Instagram is favoring that metrics of shares to actually make your content go viral. This kind of content, how you can increase shareability of your content is by creating relatable content. So maybe you're talking about a person, like maybe your boyfriend, your husband, your wife or anything. So people will, like, the husband will start sending it to your wife, to their wife, right? So they're like that way. A brother will send it to a sister. So something like a POV kind of a point of view, kind of a reel actually tends to go more viral. Next would be educational, like I am doing, like I'm creating, I'm giving a value out of it, maybe a tip, a small hack or something like that. People actually tend to relate to it, right? And they love the hack and they trying to share it with their friends, family, or the colleagues or office members, a lot of it, right? So that kind of content tends to go viral, and Instagram favors such content and it makes it viral. So make sure whenever you create your content calendar, the goal of some of the content, maybe at least if you're creating 30, it should 10 or 15 should at least have that shareability kind of content, right? So keep that goal in mind and start creating your content. The third and the most important is utilize new features. So whenever Instagram introduces new features, like for example, right now there is the comment on your stories. There is a comment section you can add in the story itself. It's a new update. I've not even spoken about it on my Instagram. I will definitely move along when I just maybe in next content whenever I create, I will talk about it. But here I'm just giving you a small detail. So any new feature which is just come up with on Instagram, you can follow. Where do you get these features? Information is on your own platform. I mean, on your own page, you'll get to know new updates. You can follow Adam. He keeps on putting up or talking about new features. There are a lot of creators. You can follow me. I also talk about it. And there are a lot of creators who talk about new features. Some are very quick. I have a one-year-old. I don't get time to just immediately create content if something has come up, but definitely I do put stories about it. So what you can do is you can follow such creators and see what new updates are there, and that will benefit your business, your brand, and try using those features. That will definitely actually what Instagram does is it actually favors those account or those content which people who are using new features. Instagram algorithm tries to push those feature used content more than the regular one. So that's the fact. So where there is a new update, try using that. There is a new update on your profile, there are profile songs, use that. It tries to boost your profile to or recommend your profile to your potential followers or leads, right? So something or the other. So definitely try using Instagram's new features. Any features, there are editing features as well. So there is new feature, you can use two musics together. So a lot of things are coming up. So keep a track on it and definitely use those on your reels content, any kind of content. There's a recent feature of add your sticker, wherein people create their own stickers and try to promote it. So if there is any festive or any occasion that is coming up, or monthly content, monthly review or something like that kind of a story comes up, people try to create their own, and that has increased my story views 10x. So definitely use all the features, most of the features which is very new on Instagram. Algorithm actually adds in those account and pushes it more. Last but not the least it is visual hooks that are definitely working. All the other videos on your, every 2 videos or every second video is about the visual hooks right now. So you can actually utilize visual hooks in your reel. There are 2 ways you can create it. I mean, there are only 2 ways you can create it. One would be actually using that whole visual hook, maybe like people falling or, something or the other. You want to know what happens next, that kind of videos. You'll get a lot of it on Instagram. You can search. I also create a lot of content on it, so you can search in my page as well. So you can use them and then put your video, or else you can divide it into half, like a falling video, and then you are falling, like connecting that video and talking about your service or anything. Maybe you're selling something. Maybe you're selling something or something or the other. So whatever your brand is, you can talk about that. So that actually boosts your reach, boosts your views, engagement and everything. So definitely I won't say to use it on every second video you have. At least once a week, I think would be great for you to use visual hooks. That will definitely, and those videos will have more reach than your other content. Try it and let me know in the comment section. Now that you know all these powerful tactics or Instagram strategies that you can actually apply in your own pages, right? So I would challenge you to at least use one of this per week and let me know in the comment section, or just on my Instagram, reach out to me and let me know how the progress is and how it has grown your page. Also, if you're ready to level up your Instagram, I have my ManyChat link below. You can click on it and sign up for ManyChat and see the difference of this automation tool. It will definitely help you in your Instagram boost. Also, you'll be getting potential leads as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I hope this video was definitely helpful. And if it was, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video.